All right, let's talk about one of my absolute favorite features in Excel, especially when you're dealing with data that's, well, a complete mess. This is a quick one, but trust me, it's a total game changer. Let's get right into it. So, picture this. You open up a spreadsheet, and you're staring at this. It's just a classic data nightmare, isn't it? Everything is just jammed into a single cell, which makes it totally unreadable and, let's be honest, pretty much useless. It kind of feels like a lost cause. So what do? Your first thought might be to just, start manually copying and pasting everything piece by piece. But can you imagine doing that for 100 rows or 1,000? No way. There has to be a better way to fix this, right? And this right here is what we call the data dilemma. All of your important information is basically trapped. It's locked inside one cell by all these weird characters. It's an incredibly common and super frustrating problem that can just bring your whole project to a grinding halt. But here's the really good news. You do not need some kind of complicated formula or fancy code to fix this. The solution is actually a tool that's already built right into Excel, just sitting there on the menu, waiting for you to use it. So let me introduce you to the hero of our story, text to columns. This little feature was designed for this exact problem, taking that jumbled up, messy text and just magically splitting it into clean, perfectly organized columns. It's amazing for cleaning up data. And finding it couldn't be easier. First, you just select the column that has all your messy data. Then, you're going to head up to the Data tab in the ribbon, and right there, you'll see Text to Columns. You just click that button, and the magic starts. Once you click it, Excel opens up this simple 3-step guide. Now, they call it a wizard, but don't let that word scare you. It's really just a friendly little pop-up that holds your hand and walks you through the whole thing. In just a few clicks, you're going to tell Excel exactly how you want your data separated. And here's the entire process, right here. It's so simple. First, you're going to tell Excel your data is delimited. Second, you'll tell it what character, what delimiter, is separating everything. And then third, you just hit finish and watch it all happen. Okay, so let's quickly talk about that keyword delimiter. It sounds kind of technical, doesn't it? But all it really means is the character that's acting like a wall between your pieces of data. It could be a comma, a space, or in our case, something a little weird. It's just the signal you give Excel for where to make the split. Okay, now this is the most important step right here. Step 2, in our mess of data, everything is separated by that open parentheses symbol. So all we do is check the box that says Other, and we just type that one little character right in. And look, the best part is that Data Preview at the bottom, it instantly shows you what's about to happen. You can see it working in real time. So then you click Next, and then you click Finish, and you get to my favorite part, that super satisfying aha moment where all that chaos just instantly turns into perfect order. And boom, just look at the results. On the left, you've got that original, useless block of text, and on the right, perfectly separated columns. Every single piece of data is now sitting nicely in its own cell, ready for you to sort or filter or do calculations. I mean, what a transformation. But here's where your mind's really going to be blown. This technique is not just for data that's stuck together with a parentheses. The real power here is realizing that you can use this exact same logic for almost any kind of messy data you ever come across. Just think about it for a second. Got data separated by commas from a download? Use the comma. First and last names separated by a space? Tell Excel to use the space. Dashes, semicolons, pipe symbols, you can literally use any character you need to break your data apart. And that's it. It's a simple, incredibly powerful way to clean up and organize your data in just a few seconds. So I guess the only real question left is, what data will you liberate first?